Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with your friends. First, open the game and locate the Invite Friends button, usually found in the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap this button to reveal your in-game friends list and other connection options. You can then select friends from your existing list or add new ones by searching their player ID. It is quite straightforward to begin your squad experience. Once your friends list appears, you can send invitations to specific players. Simply tap the Invite button next to their name to send them a game request. If a friend invites you, a notification will pop up on your screen. Just tap Accept to join their lobby. Ensure everyone is in the same server region for the best connection and to avoid latency issues, which can impact gameplay significantly. With your squad assembled in the lobby, the team leader, usually the one who created the party, can choose the desired game mode. Options include classic battle royale, arena training, or custom matches. Before starting, everyone should confirm their readiness in the lobby. The team leader will then initiate the match, sending all players into the game simultaneously to begin their tactical adventure. Effective communication is crucial for winning matches with friends. PUBG Mobile offers built-in voice chat, which you can activate with a single tap. Coordinate your movements, share enemy locations, and plan your next steps in real time. Using quick chat messages for specific commands is also very helpful. Working together, supporting each teammate, and executing strategies as a unit will greatly enhance your chances of victory and make the game more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.